Hello, everybody. All right, so as we're getting up on the start of the school year, I know some people are setting up their Canvas pages, and sometimes it can be tricky to figure out the best way to get new information out to your students. And the announcements features in Canvas is really helpful. However, students don't always know that there's an announcement there. So if you click on announcements and you create a new announcement, we'll call it welcome. We're going to keep that real simple. And you can edit, put pictures, do all kinds of stuff, and you can allow people to comment, you can allow liking, whatever it is that you want, and you save it. So now I've created this announcement, and if I'm on my home page, the problem is, how do students know that there is an actual announcement? Well, if they're on their dashboard, and they go to that particular course, they should see something here lit up that shows that there's an announcement, which it's currently not showing up. But there is an announcement. So if you want the announcement to be something that shows up to your students, there's a little trick to make it appear at the very top of your page. So if you click on Home, go down to Settings. Now this is hidden, and a lot of people don't know it's here. But if you go down to your course details, more on that later, and you click here where it says More Options, it's really hidden. When you click it, you can show recent announcements on the course homepage. So you can decide how many you want to show, but for this case, I'm going to show just one. And then you can say update course details, go back to home, and check it out. Your announcement's right there at the top. So if you add a new announcement, the newest announcement will always show up at the top. It's a tricky thing to find. Not a lot of people know that it's there, but it's down there, hidden in settings. You have to click more options. But I found it a really helpful way to put stuff front and center that's really important that you want your kids to see right away. Thanks for watching.